you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review by Bedhead, and that is this guy right here. Do you want to know how this is going to work and what my final thoughts will be? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I purchased this Bedhead. It's called Wave Artist, and this is supposed to give us some deep waves. Now, I know in one of my videos in the past, I did kind of have like wavy-ish hair, and I had so many positive comments saying that you loved it. And I've tried to do it one other time since, but I think the thing that I was using is a little too outdated. I mean, I literally brought it with me when I moved here to Florida like 7 years ago, and I had it for several years before that. And what I was using at the time was this Vidal Sassoon with the 3-barrel, this little apparatus right here. I just don't know if this just doesn't heat up as much or what's going on, but the last time I tried to use it, it just wasn't working for me. So then I just straightened my hair and called it a day and started doing research to find a newer technology, like a newer updated version of the same kind of concept. And Bedhead actually had, I think, 2 to 3 different ones, and doing different reviews and looking at different things, I found this one I think would be better for my hair and what I'm trying to achieve. So let's go ahead and get this baby open, let's get it plugged in, and let's get it going and see how it's going to be. So I'm really excited because I do have, and I did a review on the Chi Spin and Curl, I think it's called. I absolutely love that. It sucks in my hair, and what comes out is a beautiful curl that I can't normally do with like a curling iron. But the only thing with that is it is a little noisy. Like when it sucks it up, it's like, and then it heats it up, and then when it's done, it's beep, beep, beep. Not just one little beep or anything like that, and you can't turn that off. Well, when I get ready in the morning, my man is literally like really close to me, still sleeping. So I don't want to use something like that in the mornings where I could, wake him up. So that's why I wanted to start using that. And this has been sitting here for a while till I can sit down and actually review this for you guys, because I wanted to do a first impression. And I really want to use this. So here we are today. So this is what it looks like out of the package. And of course, it's my favorite color. Okay, so if I'm going to compare it to my oldie but goodie, as far as size-wise, they're about the same size in comparison. This one does have the barrel up higher, where this one is kind of all flat, all 3 laid together. And then this one is a little different. So let me unlock this because it has a lock. Ooh, when you open it up, okay. So that is definitely different than this guy. This one does lock in place, so if you're gonna store it, you can just lock it and leave it like that. So it just has an on and off switch, and there is a high to low situation right here. So I'm gonna put it more towards the high, and then there's just a switch on and off right here. And then this, you close it, and then you can turn this, oh, not that side, this side. And you can lock it into place right here. And that is the whole device, you guys. So let me go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so when you turn it on, the light does illuminate right about there. I did lock it in place because I feel like it'll heat up better if it's all like together. I don't know, but I'm gonna let it sit here for a few minutes to heat up, and then we're gonna see how this baby works. Work it, girl. So while that heats up, I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. Yeah, we're gonna look funky, getting funky. My hair literally just slides right through, so I don't even have to really open it. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or if it's just my thin hair, but my hair just slides right through. This thing's smoking. And nothing is in my hair. I do not have any product or anything in my hair currently. It's just straight. no product. All right, I turned it down because I don't know about all this smoke everywhere. Let me try it this way. Okay, so right now you can do a side-by-side comparison. You can see how much more volume this gives my hair, especially my hair being so thin. This definitely brings a whole lot more vibrance to my hair. You can definitely see that from right there. So let's go ahead and start on this side so it can all match. Okay, you guys, so that is the complete look using this. So you do have those little wavy little beach waves. I think it actually kind of came out cute. What do you guys think? I definitely see that it gave my hair way more volume, so that's a plus because now my hair doesn't look so thin this way. So I'm actually liking it. So I'm actually happy with my purchase. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so that is my final review for this bedhead little wave maker. I think it actually is cute. I actually am happy with the way that they turned out because they are different, just wavy. They're not like how this other one was where it just kind of made it look like it was forced. This just actually looks really nice. So there you go, you guys. Comment down below. Have you used this before? Have you seen this? Have you wanted to get this? Do you have a different product? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.